Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a sales forecast using a data table in Excel. So currently here's our monthly expenses for the month. So we've got income, we've got expenses, all with the correct formulas filled in. Now once you've done that, underneath is our this is our sales forecast. What we're going to do is predict our total income, cost of staff, profit and loss depending on the number of students that we have enrolled. So if we've got 10 students, how much profit would we make? If we've got 100 students, how much profit would we make? Okay, so firstly, to do that, oops, I should have deleted these first. Okay, firstly, you need to have a column with the number of students. Then, in your each heading that you want to do a sales forecast on, you need to enter the formula. So bills, what we'll do is equals, and then we look at the cell where we can find the bills. So I think it's this one here. Enter. For staff, same thing, equals, and then you highlight the total of staff costs. The same thing you do with income, so income equals income, expenses equals expenses, and profit and, let's do that again, equals expenses, and profit and loss equals profit and loss. Okay, so once you've done that, now what we need to do is you need to highlight everything. So right from the corner, even the blank one, you need to make sure when you highlight everything, you include all of the headings and you include all of the rows that you want to make the predictions for. Okay, so once you've highlighted all that, what you need to then go is to go to the data tab, go to what if analysis and data table. Okay, once you've done that, click on that and then you'll get this dialog box. It says, do you want to do it by row input cell or column input? Now, what we want to find out is the total for each of these columns. It's not the rows we want to find out for, but the columns. So how much for 60, how much is the bills for 60 students? How much is the profit and loss for 60 students? Okay, so we want to find out by column. So we're going to click on column, and then what is the input cell? So over here, the input cell is basically whatever's in this first column. So this is number of students. So in our monthly profit and loss, we need to find out the cell where we can get number of students. So at the moment, the number of students is this cell here. Once you've done that, click OK. And as you can see, now it's automatically filled in that data table. So you can work it out. You can use this to interpret data. Okay, a company can find out how much total income they will get if they have 100 students, how much total income they'll get if they've got 50 students, how much profit and loss overall they'll make. So that is a data table and how it's used in Excel.